Another way of saving money, like we all know, is to cook at home. So one of my favorite ways to cook is the crock pot, because with the crock pot you can just throw it in and forget about it until you get home and you have a nice meal ready to go. So what we're gonna do today is carnitas. So you just buy maybe 3 to 4 pounds of your beef cheek, and we're gonna put some onions, 1 full onion that you dice up. And then you're also going, after you do your onion, you're gonna put in what's called Chipotle peppers and Adobo sauce. I'm sorry. And usually it comes as a whole pepper, but you're gonna dice them up so that you can spread it throughout your roast. These are gonna be really flavorful for your meat. So we're gonna put that in. Then we're gonna add 5 cloves of garlic, but if you're like me, I just like to use the minced garlic. Just saves time. And but I mean, by all means, if you have the time to just go ahead and do the minced garlic, do it. So there's that. And then you're also gonna add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Okay. Next, you're gonna add 1 tablespoon of cumin. After that, we're gonna add 1/2 tablespoon of oregano. Okay, 2 teaspoons of salt, which I just kind of always eyeball it for me. You don't always have to measure everything. 1 teaspoon of pepper. And then we're also gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. This stuff smells so good. Okay. Now, I also like to add, if you're from Southeast Texas, you know what we have, which is called TexJoy. And I just like adding that to all of my dishes because it just gives it an extra kick. But it's just kind of like a allspice mixture. But here in our area, we really like it. And we also are going to add what's called accent. And just like it says, it's a flavor enhancer. And it really just adds something extra to your dish, whatever you're making. Okay, and then after that, we're gonna also add 3/4 cup of beef broth. Okay. And then what we'll do is you will get some tongs and you want to mix all of that up so that all of your meat is covered with all of those ingredients that you just put in. Now, so what you'll do now is just put it in your crock pot, cover it on low, and you're gonna cook it for 6 to 7 hours. okay, on low. If you're wanting to cook it faster than that, you can put it on high and cook it for 4 hours, 4 to 5 hours. Just like that, it's ready. Okay guys, and now for the best part. We get to eat. But first you want to take that roast out of the crock pot and you're going to shred it with 2 forks so that it will be in pieces enough for you to make your burritos or your tacos, because these are going to be street tacos. And then you'll notice that I've got all the other condiments of whatever you're gonna want. Lime, cilantro, tomatoes. I made a little Chipotle sauce to go with mine, but you can always do salsa as well. And of course, lettuce and cheese and your tortillas. Okay guys, and just like that, you've got your tacos. One with salsa, one with Chipotle. So, like always, please share and subscribe and save money.